In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly form within the HubSpot CRM. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling, and integrating it with HubSpot can streamline your workflow significantly. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless connection between your Calendly events and HubSpot contacts. First, navigate to Calendly and head to the Event Types page. This is where all your scheduled events and meeting types are managed. Once you're there, on the main menu, look out for the option called Integrations and Apps. It's going to be on the sidebar. Once you find it, give it a click. This will redirect you to a page where you can connect Calendly with numerous apps and services. Now, to integrate with HubSpot, you'll want to look for the search bar, usually positioned at the top of the integrations page. Type in HubSpot there. This search function is a lifesaver and will help you quickly locate the HubSpot integration option without having to scroll through all the available apps. When HubSpot appears in the search results, click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to a new page dedicated to the HubSpot integration. Here, you'll find detailed information about what the integration can do for you, along with any specific requirements or prerequisites you need to be aware of. With the HubSpot integration page open, look for a button labeled Connect HubSpot. Once you find it, click on it to start the process of linking your Calendly account with HubSpot CRM. This step is crucial as it allows Calendly to automatically update your HubSpot CRM with new scheduled events, ensuring all your data remains synchronized across platforms. Before you proceed, you should be aware that using this integration might require a subscription upgrade. Currently, a paid Calendly plan is necessary. Specifically, it's $10 per user per month to access certain features that come with third-party integrations like this. It's important to review these terms and ensure this fits within your budget and requirements before committing. Once you've decided to proceed with the upgrade, follow through with any additional prompts or confirmations that appear. This will complete the connection between Calendly and HubSpot. With this integration, any new meeting scheduled via Calendly will seamlessly sync directly into your HubSpot CRM, helping you maintain an up-to-date contact database. By following these steps and setting up your Calendly form in HubSpot CRM, you've now optimized your scheduling process. This integration can help reduce manual data entry and ensure your team has access to the latest meeting information. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.